Hi, welcome to the cooking spot. Today we are going to make an easy biryani with eggs. Here are the ingredients we need: eggs, water, curd, onion, green chili, ginger garlic paste, mint leaves, coriander leaves, garam masala, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, bay leaves, cloves, cardamom, salt, cinnamon stick, chili powder, star anise, food color, tomato paste, coconut oil, and rice. Let's start by making the biryani rice. Put the rice in the rice cooker and add water. Next, add some salt, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, bay leaf, and cumin. Also add some star anise and cook the rice. Now add salt, chili powder, and turmeric powder to the boiled eggs and fry them in coconut oil. Moving on the egg gravy, take the rice cooker and add bay leaves, cinnamon stick, cloves, cardamom, and onion to the coconut oil. Heat it for a while. In a separate bowl, mix garam masala, chili powder, and turmeric powder with the curd. Stir well. Then add ginger garlic paste to the onion. Also add green chili, tomato paste, and curd mixture. Along with mint and coriander leaves, add these ingredients to taste. Next, add water and salt as needed. Once it boils well, add the rice to the gravy. Sprinkle some mint leaves, coriander leaves, fried eggs, food color and cover it for 15 minutes. Finally, add fried onion and taste the biryani. You can refer the ingredients description for this recipe. Thank you for watching. See you in another recipe like this.